progress is definitely starting to be made in this case. We are learning that a grand jury has reportedly seen and heard evidence from prosecutors tied to Celeste Rivas Hernandez's death. Now, while LAPD has not publicly classified this as a homicide investigation, according to a recent court filing from an LAPD detective, they actually classify Celeste's death as a murder investigation. And since that document was filed, the LA County District Attorney's Office has presented evidence related to this case to an investigative grand jury. And several witnesses have been called before this investigative grand jury. The grand jury was in session for several days this month, November of 2025, but it's unclear at this time if the prosecution has finished presenting their evidence to this grand jury, and if so, what the grand jury's response was. Prosecutors typically convene investigative grand juries to 1, subpoena witnesses, and 2, to compel other evidence, including videos. And while investigative grand juries cannot indict a person or persons, they can actually recommend specific charges. Think of it kind of like the LAPD testing the strength of certain pieces of evidence that they have before a decision is made on whether charges can be brought about against one person or multiple people, and if so, what those charges can be. So things are definitely moving along, and it does seem like they are working to bring about charges against at least one person. And if they have strong enough evidence and the investigative grand jury believes in that evidence, then I feel like we could see charges relatively soon.